What's up guys, this is Fiat Crypto. You are now again with the Binance tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw the money. Okay, in the first we can go with the wallet and see the overview. Select the withdraw from here. You can see in this video the Binance is updated. The previous procedure is completely changed now. So it's a fiat. In the first I'm going to show you how to withdraw the cryptocurrency, and secondly I will show you how to withdraw the fiat currency. The first one is the crypto. I will check that. In here first you have to select the coin, what kind of crypto you are going to withdraw. In here there's a lot of cryptocurrencies is sitting around here, but it's my new account, it's just created for the tutorial. And then in here you are going to see the cryptocurrencies sitting around in your account. When you're buying the cryptocurrencies, the all are going to see here. Just make sure select the right coin you are going to select. And this is really updated, because the previous you can see the coin, how much you are going to withdraw is just shown before, but now you have to select that. Then after you can see the network also automatically select. It's normally BTC Bitcoin, it's a network. And the amount you have to type in here, the available amount you can see in here. Account, you can just select the max, or you can just type the amount. Let's see how going there. And I just paste in here, and the minimum 0.001. Okay, now you can see the withdraw button here. I just can withdraw money down. When you are selecting this, when you are clicking on this, just the amount will withdraw. And other thing is, with withdraw the fiat currency, you can just simply go by in this link, or you can just go by wallet and overview. And I just select the withdraw fiat, and doing the trading, just you have the cryptocurrencies, and when you want to convert in the fiat currency, you can go to trade and just select the convert. And here you can see you can do any convert from here. I just select the Bitcoin here because I have the Bitcoin only, so I will change it to USDT. After you convert in this, you can just withdraw it. So make sure refresh it, because it's changing every 6 seconds. You can see every 6 seconds the price will going to change. You can see just like that. You can just convert in the fiat currency and withdraw into your bank. I'll go to the wallet and overview. And then withdraw, and here withdraw fiat. So in here you can just see the currency you have. Maybe the euro you are using, maybe the USDT you are withdrawing. Just you can select from here. When you are withdrawing the USDT, you have only two ways to withdraw that. The recommended one is this. You're gonna have to pay 30 USD when you are doing that. When you are buying the euros, I'm just select the euros in here to show you how this is going. when you are using the euros, you can see the 0.8 euros fee is going to bank transfer. This is the recommended one, so I just select this. I will just select this, and you can see in here, because this is really updated now, the Binance. You have to follow this tutorial to withdraw, and available amount, you can just type any amount you have. Euros, in my account is no have the euros. I select the USDT. Yes, I select the USDT, and just 30% the payment, and I will just 0.1. That's no value I have. When you are withdrawing the available amount you have, just select the continue. That's a very important note. You have to make sure the bank account you send over front form has the same name on it, the same name of the Binance account, and the receiver should be the Binance. Make sure, otherwise they will not accept it. For withdraw, it just taking 2 days. For me, that's take 2 days, but I don't know how it's going on with you. And that's it. When you are doing the withdrawing, you can just easily use these steps to withdraw any money you have. So that's everything I have to show in here. This was actually a segment of my complete Binance tutorial, and this is also available in YouTube. And so if you want to know more about Binance, check my tutorial. I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know. I really love to read those, and just comment below. And if you wanna watch more videos, subscribe to my channel as well, and see you in the next video.